Hey, I'm Neely, and if you're watching this video, you're probably asking yourself, what is WordPress? Well, WordPress is the most popular way to create your own website or blog. WordPress is a free open source software, and while you need to pay a little to host your website, you will never have to pay to use WordPress. You can find lots of free plugins and themes to change how your website looks and functions. This means you can create pretty much any type of site that you can imagine, from a simple website to a blog to an e-commerce store. And to clear up any possible confusion, it's important to note that self-hosted WordPress.org and WordPress.com are not the same thing. WordPress.org, often called self-hosted WordPress, is the free open source WordPress software that you can install on your own web host to create a website that is your own. WordPress.com is a hosted WordPress service. It is a modified version of WordPress with stripped down features and functionality. You can't install your own plugins, which limits you from adding new functionality to your site unless you upgrade to WordPress.com Business. And unless you pay to upgrade your site, it will be a subdomain of WordPress. So for example, your site name would end up being yoursite.wordpress.com. So let's talk about hosting. As mentioned prior, WordPress is free, but you do need to buy hosting. Think of it this way. Your WordPress website is the house, and the hosting is the land you buy to place your house on. With GoDaddy, you have two options for hosting. You can buy standard hosting, where you manage everything yourself, or let us do the hard work and choose Managed WordPress hosting for your website. With Managed WordPress, the entire hosting environment is built around making your WordPress site run faster and more securely. GoDaddy will handle basic administrative tasks such as installing WordPress, automated daily backups, caching, and WordPress core updates, so you don't have to.